Do you think you see cinema coming back, or do you think the OTT is the king now?
I would like cinema to come back. I would still like if we all went to cinemas, theater में जाके कुछ देखो. But अब क्या होगा कि बहुत selective चीजें जो आप कहीं और नहीं देख सकते, but एक सिनेमा में देख सकते हो with community.
Right.
ज्यादातर वैसी फिल्म्स बनेंगी.
Like 3D or something like
3D वाला हो, अवतार जैसे आ रहा है, which is this great big
Right.
experience, animation and 3D and 4D, as well as some kind of action, जिसका sound, वो सब आप एक बड़े experience में देखो, and with many more people.
Yes.
See, it's not a alone experience.
Yeah, yeah.
What happens at home, आप and आपकी family, phone तो आप ही हो. But when it is an experience in theaters, then it's like I want to see it with more people.
Right.
I want to cheer. I want to laugh together.
Yeah.
So वो बड़ी film है.
Hmm.
When I say badi, I mean spectacle.
Right. But also like movies like Sayara, like which triggered the emotions, and maybe it wasn't that.
See, it was not, again, that is not a film which is action or whatever, right?
Yeah.
But it touched the core emotion of love,
Right. Right.
of music, youth. There was no youth couple, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
There was a time अभी हमने कोई नया couple नहीं देखा, so new couple emerged.
Hmm.
It connected with the new generation of. So they were like अभी शाहरुख है, वही actors हम कब तक देख लें?
Yeah.
Suddenly they saw somebody their age group.
Also, I was surprised, Tanvi, कि today Gen Z's के ज़माने में सैयारा जैसी इमोशनल मूवी चल गई एंड like crazy, जहाँ पे मुझे
They've gone and supported it.
yes, तो Gen Z's के पास इमोशंस का जो कोटा है मुझे लगता है बहुत कम है, and still it really worked. What is your take? Like, why did it work so well? क्योंकि Gen Z's मुझे लगता है the way they are looking at the things are very logically. They just don't want to.
I agree. I think, Sayyara is a combination of timing. Everything in life is about timing. They were right timing. They, best thing that what they did was, they did not expose their lead lead actors on social media. So nobody even knew who these two were, right? So there's no expectation. Then they decided to cut the pricing by 50% 1 week prior to the. So the youth went and bought. जब टिकट 200 की हो रही है तो सबने कहा चलो फ्राइडे को फिल्म देखने जाते हैं.
Right.
सबने बुक कर ली, right? Then when they went and saw the film, general simple emotion of music, of love, of betrayal, of जो core emotion है ना, human emotion, they just connected with it. And it had everything जो एक फिल्म में होना चाहिए for anybody to feel like हाँ चलो हमने अच्छी फिल्म देखी. You know what I mean? And they supported it.
Right.
थोड़ा सा ट्रेंड भी हो गया सोशल मीडिया पे कहना कि हम जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए and all that.
Yeah.
But I think it was very clearly the fact that we did not have a young couple also, and they acted well.
Yeah.
ये भी था, right? People were like, they're acting well, they're looking nice, they're looking real, and full support.